The next example is, if u is equal to 2xy, v is equal to x square minus y square, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, then find the Jacobian of uv with respect to r and theta. So the given function is u is equal to 2xy and v is equal to x square minus y square. Here the term u and v are the functions of x and y, but these x and y are the functions of r and theta. So we write the term u in terms of r and theta. So u is equal to 2, x value is r cos theta, y value is r sin theta. So it becomes r into r square cos theta into sin theta. V is equal to x square is r square cos square theta, y square is r square sin square theta. So the term r square is common. Into the bracket we write cos square theta minus sin square theta. Then next f1 is equal to u minus 2r square cos theta into sin theta. But 2 cos theta into sin theta value can be written as sin 2 theta. Then next here f2 is equal to v minus r square as it is. Again this term cos square theta minus sin square theta can be written as cos 2 theta. Then next definition is Jacobian of uv with respect to r theta can be defined as, here we have two variables, so it is minus 1 whole square. Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to r theta divided by Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to uv. So now we find the value of Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to r and theta. So Jacobian of f1 with respect to dou f1 divided by dou r, dou f1 by dou theta, dou f2 by dou r, dou f2 by dou theta. So this can be written as dou f1 by dou r, dou f1 by dou r. So minus 2r sin 2 theta. Then next dou f2 by dou f1 by dou theta, dou f1 by dou r, dou f1 by dou theta, dou f1 by dou theta. It means here we have minus r square term as it is. Differentiation of sin 2 theta is 2 into cos 2 theta, 2 into r square cos 2 theta. Then next dou f2 by dou r, dou f2 by dou r, again it is 2 r cos 2 theta, dou f2 by dou theta, dou f2 by dou theta means it is minus 2 r square cos theta, differentiation will be minus sin 2 theta. Then further simplification, Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to r theta is equal to cross multiply the terms, then it is 4r cube minus into minus become plus 4r cube sin 2 theta into sin 2 theta. This will be sin square 2 theta. Okay. Then next here minus into minus plus minus of this term means again we have minus sign, 2r square into 2r, it means again it is 4r cube. Here we have cos square cos 2 theta into cos 2 theta, it is cos square 2 theta. So now to the minus 4r cube as common. Minus 4r cube as common. Dou f2 by dou v. Dou f2 by dou v means it is minus r square as it is. Differentiation of cos 2 theta is minus sin 2 theta. Minus into minus becomes, that is, plus 2r square sin 2 theta. So here also we get the minus sign. So minus 4r cube is common. Into the bracket we have sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta. So sin square plus cos square is 1. So we have the value as minus 4r cube. Then next will be Jacobian of f1, f2 with respect to u is equal to, call this as equation 1. Determinant of dou f1 by dou u. Dou f1 by dou u is 1. Dou f1 by dou v. No v terms in f1. Next, dou f2 by dou u, it is 0. Dou f2 by dou v, it is 1. So the determinant value is 1. Therefore equation 1 becomes Jacobian of uv with respect to r theta is equal to minus 1 square means it is plus 1, and Jacobian of f1 f2 with respect to r theta is minus 4r cube divided by 1. So value is minus 4r cube. So next example is, if x plus y plus z is equal to u, y plus z is equal to uv, and z is equal to uvw, find Jacobian of x, y, z with respect to uvw. So here we write this as Jacobian of x, y, z with respect to uvw is equal to, here we have 3 variables. This can be defined as minus 1 whole cube Jacobian of f1, f2, f3 with respect to uvw divided by Jacobian of f1, f2, f3 with respect to x, y, z. Call this as equation 1. So the above equation can be written as f1 is equal to x plus y plus z minus u, f2 as y plus z minus uv, and f3 as uv, f3 as uvw. Sorry, z minus uvw, z minus next here. Jacobian of f1, f2, f3 with respect to u, v, w is equal to determinant of dou f1 by dou u, dou f1 by dou v, dou f1 by dou w, second row, dou f2 by dou u, dou f2 by dou v, dou f2 by dou w, third row, dou f3 by dou u, dou f3 by dou v, dou f3 by dou w. So directly I write the values dou f1 with respect to u, v, w. U, v, w means here only v term, that is -1, no v, no w terms. Next f2 with respect to u, v, w. So 0, sorry, u means it is minus v, with respect to v means it is minus u, and no w term, so it is 0. Next f3 with respect to u, that is minus vw, with respect to v it is minus uw, with respect to w it means it is minus uv. So above the principal diagonal all the elements are 0, therefore the value of this determinant is -1 into minus u into minus uv. So its value will be Jacobian of f1, f2, f3 with respect to uv, w is equal to minus u square v, minus u square v. So next we have to find the Jacobian of f1, f2 with respect f2, f3 with respect to x, y, z. This is equal to determinant of first row f1 with respect to x, y, z, second row f2 with respect to x, y, z, f3 with third row f3 with respect to x, y, z. So first row with respect to x, y, z means it is 1, 1, 1. f2 with respect to x, y, z, no x, so 0, y means 1, z means 1. f3 with respect to x, y, z, 0, 0, 1. No x, y term, so f3 with respect to z is 1. So again below the principal diagonal all the elements are 0, therefore Jacobian of f1, f2, f3 with respect to x, y, z is equal to 1. Therefore equation 1 becomes equation 1, that is Jacobian of x, y, z with respect to u, v, w is equal to -1 to the power 3 means it is minus into Jacobian of f1, f2, f3 with respect to u, v, w is minus u square v divided by Jacobian of f1, f2, f3 with respect to x, y, z is 1. So value is u square v. Jacobian of x, y, z with respect to u, v, w is u square v. These are the examples of Jacobian of composite functions.